Welcome to a quick update on the Friday project, end-to-end encryption with IoT. This is a small proof of concept using Megolm on top of Drogue Cloud. Megolm is the encryption used by the Matrix group chat, and so it seems to make sense to use this in an IoT context, where you want to share data from a device with multiple consumers. This is our setup. We have an OPC UA server, which gets queried by our OPC UA agent. And of course, we have our infrastructure. But before sending the data to the Drogue Cloud MQTT endpoint, we encrypt the payload using Megolm. In Drogue Cloud, we then stream this into Kafka, and from Kafka to a process which stores this in the MongoDB instance. So whenever there's an update, we have the last known state available for the user to take a look at. Finally, we stream this over a WebSocket to a dashboard when the user has it opened in the browser. The dashboard is a simple web application with a bit of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but even inside the dashboard, the data is still encrypted until we provided the session key to decode the data and make it available to the user. And with that, we do have an end-to-end encryption for IoT data, using Kafka, MongoDB, and all the fancy stuff. But we do not need to worry about the infrastructure spying on our data. Let's have a quick look at the demo. So here we have the data streaming in from the OPC UA agent, and while it's base64 encoded, it also is encrypted. You can go ahead and check it out. Now we do provide the session key. We apply that, and with the next message, it starts to decode that, and we can actually see the data. Of course, if we reload now, the browser session will lose the session key, and so the data is encrypted again. Of course, we can do it again. And there you go. If you would open the second browser tab, then the second browser tab would not have the session key either, and you would also only see the encrypted data. And that's it. Just a reminder, this really is just a proof of concept, and there's lots of stuff missing, but feel free to check out the code and provide feedback. And of course, thanks to Julian, who came up with the idea and did some initial coding. Thanks for watching.